Model: 68-plate Nissan NV400 F35 L3 diesel 2.3 dCi 130ps H2 Shea van body, white, panel van mileage, 228723 MOT, the 23rd of January 2024 engine, 2298 CCM 90 130E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect, runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,925. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.